My expectations are way exceeded by Trainual. I mean, this is much better than I ever thought it would be. It's going to save us a tremendous amount of energy and money, but more importantly, it will enable our services to be consistent. And it's that consistent service that will enable us to grow.
It keeps everyone doing it the same way, and it's a great reference. It's just amazing to be able to go back whenever you need a refresher. I love it.
We do something very unique in the country, which is we maintain about 1,000 HOAs. There's 372,000 HOAs in the United States, housing 76 million people with 2,300,000 board members. So we work for the community manager who works for the board of directors. We maintain these communities, but we do construction, plumbing, inspections, restoration, painting. We do a lot of services to these communities. But the unique thing is these maintenance programs. So basically we sell them their own handyman. Most of the HOAs are smaller, so they don't need a full-time handyman. And so that's why we kind of hit the sweet spot. The other unique thing we do is we write HOA manuals for all the big developers in the United States. We write their maintenance manuals, and they take the maintenance manual, they give it to their board of directors of that new community, and it shows them how to maintain all the common areas, when to maintain it, and so on. 2 years ago, we bought 2 construction companies, and we saw firsthand how difficult it was to assimilate all those people and get them trained up and all that. We needed a place where we could analyze, refine, and mainly simplify all our processes. That's why we went with Trainual.
Before Trainual, we would do our orientation, and then we would meet with our manager, and we would spend about 3 days basically learning our software and getting familiar with it. Now we have a 3-part Sage training for our system, and so it cuts back on a lot of time. We have a few tests in the Sage training. It breaks it down what each button does, so it saves up a lot of time for the account managers, and then we can always refer back to it as well.
The whole idea behind us being in love with Trainual is the fact that it can put all the people's processes and policy into one spot, and then when we need to update it, we just update it in that one spot and then have everybody take it. So that is the whole concept of having all of that in one place is just beautiful, as well as the ease with which we can train our people.
I personally love the AI feature with like all of our trainings. If we have like who can approve $5,000 for like a proposal for Department 360, it can pull up which account manager. So it makes it so easy, and you don't have to go and search through all of our trainings that we have. So it gets you your information so fast.
For me, it was the videos. The Loom videos was pretty easy, but also very effective. I love it because I can see who's in there taking the tests and taking the trainings and who's completed and not completed. So it makes it super simple for me to hold people accountable to do the work. And that to me is just one of the many benefits of the software.
Being able to see how many times an admin or whoever completed the test and if they were getting the same questions wrong and things like that, because it'll really show like, okay, maybe we need to go over this in person rather than just doing the trainings online.
We've built everything up over 30 years, and we've never gone in and simplified our processes. So for me to be able to go in and take that Trainual test was just eye-opening. I realized right then and there, we got to simplify this stuff. Again, the key to our success is our processes. Nothing will help you provide a more consistent product or service than getting everyone in your company aligned on the deliverable. To me, there's nothing more important than that system, Trainual. Obviously, the software you use is important, but this is completely different.